If your content isn't attracting the right clients, then it's not a content problem. It may be a persona problem. Most brand owners build a persona once, then they stuff it in Google Docs and never open it again. Today, I'm going to show you the exact method I use with my clients to build a persona that actually changes how you and your business show up every single day. Here's the truth. Most personas are basically useless. Age, 28 to 35. Female, interested in wellness. That tells you nothing about how to speak to her, what she's afraid of, or why she hasn't hired or bought from you yet. A real persona goes 3 layers deeper than just demographics. It goes into her inner world, and that's exactly what we're building today. Step 1. Give her a name, not a target demographic. A name. Let's call this one Maya. The moment she becomes a real person, everything changes. You stop broadcasting and start talking to someone. Step 2. Map her external world. Where does she live? Where does she go online? What does she save, share, screenshot? Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok. This tells you where you need to show up and what format to speak in. Step 3. This is where it gets powerful. I want you to ask yourself, what does she think about at 2 a.m.? Not what she Googles, not what she posts. What keeps her up? That answer is your content goldmine. Step 4. Identify the gaps. Every dream client lives in a space between where she is and where she desperately wants to be. Name that gap precisely. Not she wants better branding, but she feels invisible even though she is working harder than ever. Step 5. Go find her actual words. Reviews, DMs, comment sections, Reddit. Copy the phrases that give you chills. I feel like I'm the best kept secret and I'm exhausted by it. That is a caption. That is an email subject line. That is her reality. When you reflect it back, she feels seen. Step 6. Write the transformation promise. Before working with you, Maya felt invisible and undervalued. After, she feels confident and premium. Every piece of content you create should move her from that before to the after. If it doesn't, it does not belong on your feed. Now, let's review and bring it all together. Step 1, name her. Step 2, map her external world. Step 3, excavate her inner world. Step 4, name the gap she lives in. Step 5, capture her voice in her own words. Step 6, write your transformation promise. Now, that's your persona, not a template, a living document you can return to every time you sit down to create. Print it, put it up, let it guide you. Now, if you want a free downloadable persona template that I use with all of my clients, it's linked below. And if you found this helpful, save this video. You're going to want to come back to it. I'm Christine, and I'll see you in the next one. Go build something magical.